So one of my followers asked me recently about taking aspirin as a therapeutic solution for easing prostate issues. And I thought it was a great question because aspirin is a known anti-inflammatory. You know, when your prostate is inflamed, it gets larger. So yes, aspirin, even though it's a well-known anti-inflammatory, it's also a blood thinner. So that's the concern. So aspirin, it will help to reduce inflammation in your body and in your prostate, but that blood thinning aspect is the concern. Let's talk about it. So aspirin, it's a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug known as NSAID, which means it helps to reduce inflammation, which on paper could be beneficial for reducing a swollen or enlarged prostate. And it does this by lowering the inflammatory response that continues to the enlargement. But possible cancer prevention studies suggest that low-dose aspirin may help reduce the risk of developing prostate cancer and or slow its progression due to its anti-inflammatory and blood-thinning properties. It may also lower levels of prostaglandins, which are compounds involved in, cancer growth in the prostate. But it can irritate the bladder, making urinary issues worse. And if you already have an active prostate cancer diagnosis and you need surgery or biopsy, it will increase bleeding risks. It's a blood thinner. And long-term use also leads to stomach ulcers, kidney problems, and, it becomes more problematic if you're using it over a long period of time. So if you're dealing with an enlarged prostate or prostate cancer, you talk to your doctor before taking it upon yourself to use aspirin as a therapy. In my opinion, you want to leave the aspirin alone and look at some safer alternatives. I'm going to give you some natural alternatives that can help with prostate health and act as an anti-inflammatory in your body like aspirin does, but without the blood thinning aspects. So you have curcumin, which is in turmeric. That's a very powerful anti-inflammatory that I talk about on this page, and that will help reduce prostate swelling. You have omega-3 fatty acids found in fish oil, salmon, avocado, and that supports prostate health and your overall cardiovascular health. Green tea extracts that contains polyphenols, and that also will slow prostate cancer growth in your body. Saw palmetto and pygeon, those are herbal remedies that help with BPH symptoms naturally. So aspirin is something made in the laboratory, so I'm not in love with that. I prefer natural elements, natural compounds. And aspirin is actually created to mimic natural compounds that are found in nature. So reach for something natural and your body will love you for it.